What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. In today's video, we're just going to be talking about April goals. I have been seeing a few of my favorite creators, Janet Domahina, Devin Nicole. I watched their monthly reset videos and I really enjoyed them. I just wanted to talk about my goals with you guys, do more of a sit down video. Let me know how you guys like it, and if you guys have any goals, I would really love it if you guys shared one of your goals down below with me and with the community so we can encourage each other. And I just love to see what other people are striving for. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, grab your water, and let's get into it. To kick things off, I'm going to talk about where I've been, how I've been. So mentally I've been okay for the most part. My birthday was last month, it was in February, and that was wonderful. I felt this spring energy. Spring is my season. It's my favorite season. Coming out of winter is just one of my favorite things. And yeah, so spring has just always been, I think, for everybody really, there's this buildup of energy, and I can feel that. I felt it energetically for a couple of weeks now. That's the anticipation I've had, you guys, just coming into this. I'm so excited to look at the sun, to feel the sun, and for the warmer days, because I really do enjoy getting outside. Mentally, I've been really good. Emotionally, I've been good as well. I just think as human beings, we're really meant to live in tune with nature. That's something that I definitely subscribe to, and I feel like a part of nature. The way that winter, everything is just kind of barren, everything is just kind of hibernating, all of the plants and the birds, you don't hear them chirping as much, everything is just in this season of slowing down and resting. I feel that so much in the winter can, kind of manifest as feeling like a stagnant energy, but the rest is so important, because now spring, this building of energy makes me want to do everything, do it well. It makes me want to be creative. It makes me want to get outside. It makes me want to try new things, and that I'm just really looking forward to, and I'm diving into it. There have been some major shifts for me. Literally, I have struggled to drink water, I feel for majority of the winter. At the beginning of March, it was getting to the point where my lips were just so dry. I was literally looking up some remedies for super dry lips, and then it was just this switch. I don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened, but there was just a switch inside of me. I just started to easily hit my water goal, above my water goal. So I went from drinking about 40 to 50, maybe 60 ounces a day, to now hitting 80 ounces for, I feel almost a week and a half now, and it's just easy. I can't explain it to you. It was just a switch went off. I don't know where the switch is. I wish I could control the switch and just keep it on, but that is an example I've felt of the energy of the season. That's kind of how I've been. I just kind of want to discuss with you guys where the energy's been, how I've been feeling, and I just I feel so good. Hold on, there's a gnat. Y'all, I love having plants, but these gnats are gonna be, how have you guys been doing? Let me know down in the comments below. What's your favorite season? How are you feeling in winter? Are you guys feeling the shift as well, as spring is coming around the corner? Okay, so now I want to get into my goals for April. One of my first goals is to just get outside more, you guys. April showers bring May flowers, but I'm hoping that April just also brings some warmer days. So I don't have a concrete plan for getting outside 3 times a week. I don't have that yet. I feel I'll have that more in May, but now I just want to get outside as much as possible, breathe in that fresh air. This kind of ties into my cardio goal. I have been trying to do the 12-3-30 for a while now. Some days I can hit it. If some days I just don't have it in me, so I'll do a 12-3-20. So I'll just do it for 20 minutes versus 30 minutes. It's just so beautiful to be fit, right? And then see your body capabilities continue to evolve, because it took me a while to work up to being able to do a 12-3-30, and I actually really enjoy it. So I do cardio 4 times a week. I've been doing it 3 times a week. I'm going to be getting outside, doing outside walks, and count towards my cardio goal of doing it 4 times a week. Yeah, so that's one of my goals, is to increase my cardio. You guys have probably heard, body composition. I want to work on body recomposition. The first person actually who introduced this to me is Janet Domahina. Love her. Just felt really aligned with what I'm looking for and what I'm heading for, and for this goal that I have of just using the term tone up, because I feel now there's this, ooh, you can't really tone up. That's not really a thing. I think I want to increase my muscle percentage. I genuinely feel my fat percentage is in a very healthy range, and I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm thinking the difference that I'm looking for will be in increasing my muscle mass. That will mean lifting heavier weights, but I think that I'm going to continue with that program, but I might just adjust things a little bit more. So if I see it in a 10 to 12 rep range, I'm going to go heavier, and I'm going to decrease the reps but increase the weight. So just heading into summer, you know, I want to feel good, I want to feel and look my best, and I am in a good stage, I am in a good place, I feel like, with my body. But I do feel my best when I'm also simultaneously like wanting to achieve something. It is nice to be in a place to maintain, and I feel like I've been doing that for the most of the winter, right? But now I have this energy inside of me that wants to like do a little bit more, so I kind of want to do a little bit more and get some more muscle on my body. So I have a cool scale that, you know, monitors my body composition. So maybe I'll have to include like weekly weigh-ins or something for myself to, you know, kind of track this metric to see if what I'm doing is working or not. And I honestly probably should research more. I don't even know if like weekly basis is necessary for the goal that I'm striving for. It might be better to do it bi-weekly to see if it's effective or not. So we will see how that goes. Another goal that I have that's actually pretty new to me, a reel on Instagram, and she was saying how important high protein breakfasts are. You know, when things like just like make sense to you. The way she explained it is like it helps with your satiety cues throughout the day. And you know, I'm a breakfast girly. I really love breakfast. In my family, I feel like I'm probably one of the only people that pretty much eats breakfast every day of the week, which is fine. If you don't eat breakfast, you know, do whatever works best for you. But I'm a breakfast person. But I do want to prioritize getting protein in for breakfast because I feel like it'll definitely help me throughout the day. And then on top of that, you know, I don't typically focus on, you know, my protein intake or my fats. I don't focus on that in a caloric way. I do write down what I have. My meal plan is literally just me writing down what I'm eating. I'm not tracking it in any way, shape, or form. I guess this is tracking, but do you know what I'm saying? I'm not tracking the calories or anything like that. I normally do that so that I can track how much fruit and vegetables I'm having throughout the day. But that being said, I want to focus on having high protein breakfasts, and this is going to just really include more planning on my end. I don't prioritize protein, which is something I need to shift. I really need to find a good protein powder. I'm so grateful for all of your recommendations thus far. I just have to bite the bullet and figure out what I want to buy, and you just need to stop sitting on it. I need to buy it, I need to get it, I need to stop thinking about it and just buy it. I just hate spending $30, $40, $50 on something and then like not liking it. And I feel like that's always the case with protein powder. Why on earth do they not offer samples? My battery's about to die, so please hold. As we all know, on top of lifting heavier, I definitely need to supplement with that additional protein to help my muscles actually grow and to sustain that muscle mass. If you guys have any suggestions, what you like having that's high protein for breakfast, definitely comment down below. I'm always open to suggestions. I'm always wanting to try something new. Okay, you guys, so another goal, this is more of a meditation type of goal. You guys that have been with me and followed me from the beginning probably know I've meditated for years now. So I discovered something listening to a podcast, and he said that disease is the absence of oxygen, and you know, it's obviously way more deep than me just saying that, but he does this Wim Hof breathing method, and I've been doing it I'd say for about a week, and I really like it. I do like meditating, but sometimes you just like, it kind of becomes like a monotonous kind of thing, which it shouldn't. And so I've been switching to this Wim Hof thing. There's so many benefits to learning to breathe deeply, holding your breath for tension, and there's all these different things. So my goal this month is to continue that and to actually progress with that. The video I've been doing is free. It's on YouTube, you guys. So if you're interested in checking it out, you want to get into breathing exercises. Every second of every day we breathe, but it's not something we really pay attention to. Do you know what I'm saying? So I do really like the Wim Hof method. So as I mentioned, I want to keep up my water intake, you guys. I have been so consistent with my water intake. I am so proud of myself, honestly, because of how hard of a struggle it was for me to like be consistent with a good amount of water. But I feel so good, you guys. I feel so much better drinking more water. Surprise! Are we really shocked? No, we're not shocked. It constantly, oops, I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do that. My ankle was stiff. All these things that we hear people online talk about or mention, like drinking water is always on that list of what productive people do, you know, on the vlogs and stuff. And it's like, we're not just saying this to say it. Like, drinking water is very important. So I'm so happy to have that switch mentally because it's made a big difference for me. And I'm like kind of on this streak where I like don't really want to break it. So I'm going to keep that as a goal to drink 80 ounces of water every single day, which I've been doing for like a week and a half, and I'm so proud of myself. This one's also like not really a fitness goal, but I want to try to finish reading 2 books this month. I really like audiobooks, and I recently discovered that my local library, check yours out, you guys, check online. They have free audiobooks. Free. You can't keep them forever. You check them out like a regular book, but I just downloaded one for free, and I like to listen to them, you know, when I'm going to work and stuff like that, or in the mornings. I like to listen to audiobooks and take notes on that, and I love being in a good groove with reading. So that I normally do, the ones that I'm listening to are more like learning and mentally stimulating, and then the ones that I like to read at night are more like fiction, like for fun books. So I'm going to try and read 2 books this month. Do you guys read books at all? Let me know if you guys are into books and what kind of books you like to read. So you guys know I've been kind of meal prepping, kind of like just a few days a week, and I found that so helpful. So that's something I really want to prioritize this month, because again, that's going to help me make sure I'm getting in my protein. And it's also really going to help with my other goal. This is like a 2-part goal of getting in and focusing back on my fruits and vegetables. You guys, I've been really off. I haven't been doing well with that goal this month. I'll show you guys my habit tracker actually. I just want to get back to that. Eating fruits and vegetables is like the reason it's so important to me, and why you should possibly prioritize it in your life. I'm not telling you what to do, of course. Fruits and vegetables have the most minerals and vitamins like in their natural state. Like that's the best way to get them, is from your food, from your diet. Chewing and eating, there's just there's like a process involved in it. Your saliva, it creates the bromelain to help break it down, and then when you're eating the full fruit and the full vegetable, you are getting the fiber as well. So guys know I have my smoothies, so I'm not knocking it, but I definitely love to get in more fruits and vegetables, and I feel my best when I do, because it's like it helps all these micro deficiencies I might have by eating more fruits and vegetables. So this is what my habit tracker looks like so far for this month. Wait, it zooms in. You can see this like long streak of not hitting it. Yeah, so you can see I could definitely have some room for improvement on this particular goal. All of my other goals like meditation, you can see I've been doing really well. But this is something else I really love to track my goals. So the reason being is like when I get down on myself, I'm like, I'm not doing well, I'm not, just being hard on myself about things. Tracking my habits just allows me to see the forest for the trees, and it's like to see my progress and say, okay, so maybe I haven't been doing the best in this, but like I've actually been doing really well in all these other areas. And something else I like about these planners, I'm not trying to get off topic, but so week to week, you guys, you can actually have there's like a mini habit tracker. So you can see my 12-3-20 here, 3 times a week. So this is from like a week or two ago, bed by 10:15. So I did pretty good with that. And then I like to read and use my planner at night to fill this out, so I can fill out what I'm eating. And I just love having that week to week. So this is where I keep track of the 12-3-20. But on my big habit tracker, I put moving my body. Any way, shape, or form that I'm moving my body, that's on my big habit tracker. But week to week, I'm tracking my cardio. So that's why I really love these planners. If you guys are interested, I'll link them below for you guys. I've worked with Silk & Sunder for years now, and I actually really do love their habit trackers. Those are one of my favorite parts of the planner. So I don't know if I kind of went into this. I think I might have gotten off topic, of course. But meal prepping, I really want to get back to doing like 2 to 3 lunches a week. We all don't have to meal prep the same. So for me, lunches are the meals that I struggle the most with. I don't have something smaller before I go to the gym, but then after the gym, it's like this weird period of time where it's like if I take the time to cook, take 30-40 minutes to prepare a meal, then it's like nearly dinner, and then it just like throws off my entire schedule. So having those healthy options right after the gym, I literally can just pop in the microwave, that has been a game changer for me. That's actually on my list to do today, to prepare my lunches for the week. Yeah, so those are my goals for April. I hope this wasn't too long-winded for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I love sharing my goals with you guys. I don't mean to put pressure on y'all, but I'm gonna need y'all to help hold me accountable to my goals. That's the reason I do also like sharing it with you guys. It helps me to be accountable for my goals, and I am so grateful for you guys. I love the space that we are creating and growing every single week, and it means the world to me that you're here. I appreciate you guys who show up and comment on my videos, who like my videos, who even just watch my videos. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you guys for your time. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more content. Thank you guys for your time. I really appreciate it. I will catch you guys next time. Okay, how are we liking the makeup though? Like, y'all know it's a special video when I'm wearing this much makeup. This is a lot, but I will tell y'all saw my little Trader Joe's haul, my little short, that little sunscreen, that just pops off. It's giving like a primer. You guys know I don't wear a lot of face makeup, but like makes me look like I do. Anywho, let me get off. I gotta go.